Hello students, we are going to discuss about steady state molecular diffusion in fluid. What is steady state? In mass transfer, the concentration does not change with respect to distance. That is steady state. So in steady state condition, we will take dCA by dZ or dH is equal to constant. So practically this value will be 0. Molecular diffusion. Molecular diffusion defined when diffusion results from the random movement of the molecules is known as molecular diffusion. It requires actual migration of molecules. The rate of mass transfer is higher in gas than liquid, very slow in solid. What is fluid? Fluid is a combination of liquid and gases. Types of flux. Flux can be classified into 3 types. One is total flux or rate of diffusion. Second one, convective flux. Third one, diffusive flux or molar flux. One by one we will discuss. First one, total flux or rate of diffusion. It is defined as moles of species that passes through a unit area per unit time. So this is called total flux or rate of diffusion. Second one, convective flux. So it is defined as moles of species passing through a unit surface area per unit time, that is carried by some reference velocity. So this is very important, by some reference velocity. This is called convective flux. This is one of the mode of mass transfer. Third one, diffusive flux. Diffusive flux, another name molar flux. This is also one mode of mass transfer. Diffusive flux is defined moles of species that passes through a unit area per unit time due to diffusion. What is the relation? These are the flux. What is the relation of these flux? Total flux is equal to convective flux plus diffusive flux. So in this case, so we will consider the convective flux is equal to 0. In this case only, total flux is equal to diffusive flux. Total flux or rate of diffusion, it is denoted by Na. So that is equal to diffusive flux or molar flux, it is denoted by Ja. When we will consider convective flux will be 0. So in this case only we will take total flux is equal to diffusive flux. Ja is equal to Na. Total flux. It is also called rate of diffusion. It is denoted by Na. The unit of total flux, gram moles per centimeter square second. Second one, convective flux. Convective flux by some reference velocity. So convective flux is equal to C into V. C is the concentration, V is the velocity. So here you replace the C value in terms of density. Here density is a molar density. So here C is equal to rho into XA. XA is nothing but mole fraction. So here into velocity V. So here rho into XA into V. So here we will take rho into V is equal to N. So this is the molar density, this is the velocity. So here capital N, that is the flex. So the rho into V. So this is the convective flex equation, capital N into XA. So next last one, diffusive flex. Diffusive flex or molar flex, this is denoted by capital J. So this is by diffusion. The unit of diffusive flex, gram moles per centimeter square second. From the above relation, so we will take Na is equal to N into Xa plus Ja. So this is the mathematical form. Na is the total flex or rate of diffusion. N into Xa is the convective flex. This is one of the mode of mass transfer. Then Ja, this is molar flex or diffusive flex. This is another mode of mass transfer. This is the first expression. So here Na is equal to, what is N? In this derivation also we will consider the two gases are capital A and B. So here capital N replace Na plus Nb into Xa plus Ja. This is the second expression. What is fixed first law of diffusion? So here Na is equal to Na plus Nb into Xa. So first law of diffusion, that is a fixed first law of diffusion. Ja is equal to minus Gab dou Ca by dou Z. So this is the third expression. We know that what is the relation concentration and mole fraction. Mole fraction is equal to individual to total. So here individual concentration to total concentration. Xa is equal to Ca by C. So here Na is equal to Na plus Nb into Xa. We have the expression. So the Xa replace in terms of concentration. Ca by C minus Dab dou Ca by dou Z. Na is equal to Na plus Nb. So here take LCM. So Ca minus C into Dab dou Ca by dou Z whole divided by C. This is the fourth expression. So the cross multiply here, C into Na is equal to Na plus Nb into Ca minus C into Dab dou Ca by dou Z. So the Cna, so Na plus Nb into Ca, so in RHS side comes to LHS side, negative sign, minus of Na plus Nb into Ca is equal to minus C into Dab into dou Ca by dou Z. So here separating the variable, minus Gca by Cna minus Na plus Nb into Ca is equal to Dz divided by C into Dab. This is the fifth expression. Integrating the equation 5, we get minus integration of Ca1 to Ca2, 0.1 to 0.2, dCa by Cna minus Na plus Nb into Ca is equal to integration of Z1 to Z2 dz divided by C into Dab. So we know that we have the formula integration of 1 to 2 dx divided by a minus bx, that is equal to minus 1 by b ln of a minus bx 1 to 2 or this side, RHS side. So integration of Z1 to Z2, simply that is the dx, is it correct? Dx you know the value, that is the x, the substitute the limit 1 to 2, Are you clear or not? Okay, you compare these two. So which one is the X, which one is the A, which one is the B? So first we are focusing the LHS side. So X is a CA, capital A is a C into NA, capital B is a which one? So here the capital B is a NA plus NB, that's all. Okay, so we want to substitute here. So this is the value for dx by a minus bx, but here dca by cna minus na plus nb into ca. So how to replace? So they use the expression or use the formula. So change our value. So here minus 1 by, which one is the b here? Na plus nb is the b, ln of, well, which one is the a? Cna minus b, which one is the b here? Na plus nb. So x is the ca, the limit is the ca1 to ca2. So whereas RHS side very simple, dz, so z simply, so z into 1 by c into dab, the limit is the z1 to z2. Okay, minus of minus 1 by na plus nb ln of cna minus minus of na plus nb into ca, the limit is the ca1 to ca2. So RHS side 1 by c into dab, the dz integration simply z, the limit is z1 to z2. So here LHS side minus into minus plus 1 by na plus nb. So substitute the limit ca2 and ca1, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit means ln of cna minus na plus nb ca2. So this is the upper limit, minus lower limit ln of cna minus of na plus nb into ca1, upper limit minus lower limit. So the log a minus log b, log a by b. So here ln of cna minus na plus nb into ca2 divided by cna minus na plus nb ca1. So this is for the formula for ln of a minus b, ln a minus ln b, ln a by b, log a minus log b, log a by b. Are you clear? Okay, so this is LHS over. So here RHS upper limit minus lower limit. So z2 minus z1 divided by c into dab. Are you clear now? Yes. So here we want to reduce this expression. So insert this value, the distance z2 minus z1, that is equal to z. Again you substitute the value 1 by na plus nb ln of cna minus of na plus nb ca2 whole divided by cna minus na plus nb only. This is not the 3. So into ca1 is equal to z by c into dab. This is the sixth expression. So here 1 by na plus nb ln of. So for this case, so numerator and denominator divided by c, otherwise you take c outside. So the na minus na plus nb ca2 by c whole divided by na minus na plus nb ca1 by c. So take c outside, c's are cancelled. So z by c into dab. Are you clear or not? Okay. Take na plus nb outside. So we get 1 by na plus nb ln of na divided by na plus nb minus ca2 by c whole divided by na divided by na plus nb minus ca1 by c. This is the LHS value is equal to RHS z by c into dab. Okay, so just to replace the place, z by c into dab is equal to 1 by na plus nb ln of na divided by na plus nb minus ca2 by c whole divided by na divided by Na plus Nb minus Ca1 by C. Are you clear now? Yes. So here LHS is a Z by C into DAB. So the multiply and divided by Z by C into DAB, they cancel the term. So finally we get 1. This is a LHS. RHS side. So this value goes to this side. Z by C into DAB. C DAB by Z. So 1 by Na plus Nb ln of Na divided by Na plus Nb minus Ca2 by C whole divided by Na divided by Na plus Nb minus Ca1 by C. This is the seventh expression. Multiply and divided by Na, value cannot change. This is correct. Na by Na, that is equal to 1. So here Na is equal to C into DAB divided by Z into Na by Na plus Nb ln of Na by Na plus Nb minus Ca2 by C whole divided by Na by Na plus Nb minus Ca1 by C. This is the last expression. Thank you.